Alright, so today I'll be showing you guys how to install wheel spacers on a 2021 BMW 5 Series. Doesn't matter which 5 Series. In this particular case, this one's a 540i. So I got my expert here, putting on his surgical gloves, you can say. I bet. Let's get this started. So we already went ahead and put the rear ones on, and as you can tell, I'm not trying to go ghetto. I'm just trying to do a flush look. We have 12 millimeters on both sides, back and front, and now we're installing the front.
You have the lug nuts?
Yeah. So this pack comes with of course, the wheel spacers, and it comes with the extended bolts, or lug nuts, I should say, right?
Yep.
What we
want to do first?
Just got this thing too, brand new.
We want to make sure the e-brake is on, and it is on.
It is on, I think. But no, it's a Beamer, shouldn't move.
It says parking brake is on, and your red light is on.
Oh, okay. I bet.
We do that for safety, so that when you jack up the car, it doesn't shift or it doesn't move back or anything.
Exactly. This is the real expert here. I don't know shit, to be honest. That's why I'm behind the phone.
All right, so cars usually come with shitty jacks, but we are BMW, we are Prestige.
Yes.
We have Prestige premium jacks.
Correct.
What you want to do is you want to find the jack point under the car, and every car has a plastic tab here that'll show you. And here on this BMW, we have this black plastic right here, and you want to line your jack up right there. Or else you're gonna put damage on the body.
Correct. Unless your car's leased, then it don't matter, right?
Depends if you got the money to pay for the damage. All right. So now what we wanna do first is, it's called cracking the lug nuts, because sometimes it makes a really weird noise, and it sounds like something's breaking, but it's not. So you just want to find the right lug size. Found it. Now, I don't want to break my back, so what we're going to do is we're going to give ourselves some leverage with a nice metal pole. Boom. That's one. Boom. That's two. That's three. That's four. I want to show you for reference what it looks like if you don't use this.
Makes your life way harder.
That's
and
five.
You'll probably blow out your back.
Yep. Alright, now we got the lug nuts loose. We want to raise the tire just enough so that you can get your fingers under there.
Make it a YouTube video. Damn.
See that?
Oh yeah. She said she raised up. And also, this too, just so you guys know, you can pretty much get these wheel spacers anywhere. But I would say get ones that are made for your car exactly, so they perform as best as possible.
Yeah, when you buy spacers, you want to make sure that if the website lets you choose vehicle compatibility, that's perfect. If not, you're going to want to focus on your bolt pattern. Usually it's 5 by 114.3, and you want to look at your hub size, which is this right here, which is what your rim is going to sit on. So you want to make sure that fits as well.
Correct. And so just so you guys know, in the rears, I think these are 245s, nothing special. And then in the front, I think they're 245s as well.
Oh, they get in there.
Where is that shit? Looking for it. Yep, 245. Same. So these are the stock, didn't do anything with that.
All right, we got the tire off.
Damn, look at those brakes.
And all
That's
you
actually
do is
crazy.
take this, and because it's a brand new car, we don't have to add the grease here. They already have it. And because the tire was on there, the tire on the inside also has a grease. And that grease prevents this from rusting and permanently bonding on the car, because you're not going to always be taking off your tire. And when you do take off your tire and you need to access this area for, let's say, a brake change or an axle change, then this is going to cause issues if there's no grease.
Simple as that.
You line it up with the existing holes. Let me show you the difference between the lug nuts that come. This is the OEM, and this is the Extendo Glizio spacer ones, because it has to go a farther distance. So take this right here. Now that we have it lined up, you take your first bolt, put it in there.
Yes.
And you just start tightening it just enough so that you don't have to stand here awkwardly and hold it. Take the second one, line it up, tighten that just enough so it holds the rim.
But yeah, for sure, definitely make sure you guys have those extended bolts, because if you guys have those stock bolts or stock lug nuts, that's definitely not gonna work.
Yep.
The rule will probably fly off when you start driving.
Yeah, you definitely want the extended ones, because there's a chance that your original ones might not even reach the threading because of that spacer.
I think what's the widest you can go? I think like 24 millimeters.
You can go up to, I don't know millimeters wise, but yesterday I was looking, you can go up to 1.75 inches.
Oh, okay.
Which is a lot.
That's a lot. You're gonna look ghetto as hell.
Yeah. And those are not put on like these, they're different. When you put those on, you bolt those in, and those have different studs that come out, extra studs, and then you bolt your tire.
Different. Yo, see, these are the type of owners I like. S-Class owners. Uh-huh. Sorry, guys, we're at my business, actually, so.
Another spacer customer.
Yo, Artie, see, these are my type. These are my type. Yeah. Oh, okay.
All right, so we have these on now.
So now,
What you want to do is slowly lower the car. And then you want to go back to your lug nuts and torque them down while your wheel's on the ground.
damn, the car's already sitting water. Damn, looks mean. Yeah, see? You can notice the difference already. You see more meat. You can see the tire at the edge, and then we check here where we didn't install the spacer yet. You know, you can't see. That's crazy. How much 12 millimeters does?
When you're tightening these bolts, you want to do it in a star pattern, just so that you're 100% sure that all the bolts are torqued down equally.
That's actually a really good idea. That method you use.
That's it.
Yo,
That's one wheel spacer on.
thank you, Mr. Turkish
No problem.
Deniz.
Off to the next side.
Off to the next side.
It's the same
But
thing.
you guys get the point. I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys want more videos of the 540, let me know.
That
Much more to
difference is
come.
insane.
Yeah, bro. Huge difference. Again, I'll show you. This is the one we didn't touch yet.
Here, look, just for reference.
Perfect. Oh, shit.
not even touching the body.
That's nice.